Hey kids, it's great to see you again. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Dad. So today I'm just going to walk you through a real simple recipe for smoking salmon. But before we do that, I do have a dad joke for you. So why should you not hang out with a sardine? There's just something about it that's a little fishy. So anyway, I just want to walk you through this real simple recipe. You'll need a smoker of some sort. I happen to have a Traeger, and they've made it super easy with the pellets. It's kind of automatic, but you do need to know a few basic things. So I thought I'd just walk you through this because I was looking for a simplified version of how to do this. And if you're just trying to get started, I'm going to try to break it down super simple for you so that you can walk through this and feel confident doing so. And I'll make this video fairly short so you can be up and running fairly quickly. So, all right, let's get started.
You'll need 2 to 3 pounds of fresh salmon. Leave the skin on. 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar. 1/2 cup of coarse kosher salt. 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. We used the coarse kind. Mix that all together good. Add half the mix to your dish and spread that out evenly. Now add your salmon. Now add the rest of the mixture to the top and make sure you spread it out evenly. Now cover it with a plastic wrap. Now put it in your refrigerator for 24 hours. Take it out of the refrigerator and then rinse each piece individually. You want to rub them as you rinse them too. Rub the front and the back of each one good because you want to get rid of any excess mixture that's still on there. Now pat dry with a paper towel. Then you want to let them sit out for about 2 hours. A thin skin will form called a pellicle. It'll be a little bit tacky to the touch and it helps the smoke to attach to the salmon. We're ready to fire up the smoker now. Make sure there's pellets in the hopper. Turn on the smoker. Now push the knob on the front of the smoker and you'll get your menu screen, and then change the dial to 165 if you need to. And then push the ignite button. You'll hear the auger start to turn and the smoker is beginning to ignite. Once the smoker ignites, it'll start preheating up to the temperature that you set for it. Once it reaches 165, go ahead and put the salmon in the smoker. And set the timer for 3 hours. You really shouldn't open the smoker while it's smoking, but this is after 2 hours and I just wanted to show you what that looks like. I added a probe to it, which is a real simple thing that just plugs right into your Traeger, and the internal temperature should reach 145.
All right, I hope that was helpful for you. So when I first did this recipe, I didn't really know what I was doing. You can play around with it, do different things, but this is a real basic recipe to get you started. You can try smoking all kinds of different meats with this too. I have not tried brisket. I'm gonna try brisket as well. So anyway, just it's kind of fun now. And it smells amazing. And there's different pellets you can use. I haven't got into that yet, but we'll get there. Just still trying to get my feet underneath me. So, all right, so I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and God bless you.